Hey beauty babes, welcome to my channel. I am Maria, aka Agape Love Girl. Thank you so much for joining me today. But today's video is just going to be a super quick one. I just want to pop in with a somewhat of an announcement. I thought of this fun idea and I wasn't sure if I should just like announce it on like Instagram or like Facebook or my blog or something. But I thought, you know, I'm just going to make a quick video, throw this idea out there, and we will see how it goes. Now I hope you guys will respond. I hope you guys will share. But here's the idea. I really think it would be super fun to do a makeup look or a makeup tutorial or just a video doing my face, like kind of a full face using your Holy Grail products. I just thought this would be a fun idea. I don't think I've heard or seen anyone do this. I was just thinking in my mind as I was doing my makeup today about Holy Grail products and favorite products, and I'm always sharing my favorites with you guys, but I was thinking about I love when you guys share your favorite products, the products you love and things like that. And so in thinking about that, I was like, wouldn't it be cool if I did a video using your favorite products, your Holy Grail products, and do kind of like a full face. I'm assuming or hoping a lot of them will be products I've never tried before, or products that maybe are not my favorite. I don't know, just products that maybe are new to me or that I don't use that often. So it'll be like a whole fun experience and I can try out products that you guys absolutely love and swear by. And I don't know, I think that would be a fun idea. I hope you guys think so too. So I really hope you guys will be interactive with me on this, and be sure to share your Holy Grail products. Now, some of you might not have Holy Grail products in every single category, but I would love for you just to share your Holy Grail products that you have, any that you have. And so I think I want to have this go a certain way. So I'll probably put in the description box how I would like you guys to format this. That way we don't get too many comments and I have to like go through, not that I get a ton of comments anyways, but just to make it, I feel like, more organized. I think I want to have a way for you guys to write everything, and I don't want you guys to put all your favorites in one comment. I want it to be in separate comments, so this is why I feel like there'll be a lot of comments. I'm thinking it'll be something like, make sure you put the type of product first, maybe in capital letters like primer, and then put what your primer is. Make sure you guys include the brand and the name so I know what it is. So something like that, but I'll put it in the description box how I would like you guys to kind of write it out, and then again, each product in an individual comment. The other thing I want to say is I would like you guys to also be interactive in the comment section as well. So I would hope that I don't see, not that I don't want to see repeat comments, but what I mean is to keep it more organized and to keep the comments from getting out of hand. I would like you guys to read the comments before you share your Holy Grail product, so that way if someone has already commented on your already Holy Grail product, instead of saying it again, so I don't have to like tally it up, to make it a little bit easier for me, just go ahead and like their comment. That way, say, you know, if there's different primers, I'm just using that as an example, if a lot of people seem to think a certain one's their Holy Grail, I'll be able to tell that by the likes. So maybe there's 5 different primers that different people have shared, but one of them has like 10 likes, or, you know, one of them has no likes. But this kind of lets me know, okay, several people think this is their Holy Grail primer, kind of a thing. So I hope that makes sense. If I think of anything else, I'll put it in the description box for you guys to check out, so please read there before commenting. But yeah, I think that's it. I think this is going to be a really fun idea. I'm really excited to learn what your Holy Grail products are, and I'm really excited to be able to try them if this all pans out. So be sure to share away, share this video with your friends, that way they can put their input and I can, you know, have more of a variety of people and thoughts and things like that to share from. And I think it'll also be a fun idea to see like what's the most popular, because that's how I'll be choosing which things to use, because obviously several people will have different Holy Grail products. So the ones that have that have the most likes, the ones with the most like votes, I guess, will be the Holy Grail products that I use. And I think that's, like I was gonna say, I think that'll be a fun experiment as well for a lot of people to see, like, okay, this is a lot of people's Holy Grail product, that means it must be really good. So in addition for that being kind of knowledge and benefit and exciting for me, I would hope it would be really exciting for you guys to learn, like, okay, this is a product that is really good and so many people love it. So I just think it'd be a fun idea. It's one that I haven't seen before. I feel like it's unique. As well, I think it'll be able to get a lot of us interactive and interaction with each other, and I just think that's going to be so fun too. So I'm really excited about this idea. I hope you guys are too, and yeah, I think that's it. I don't want to ramble long because I want to keep this little announcement short. So that's it. Thank you guys so much. Be sure to leave your favorites, your holy grails in the comments, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, much love and hugs to you. Bye, beauty babes.